What's up, YouTube? So today I got a coil that's leaking. So I got one of my guys with me here today. This is a 40 MBQ or something. You see all the rust. So we're gonna pull the whole head down and replace it. And then inside here, what they did, I ran the line set into here. And I got to replace this pump too. I changed it once, but the oil's been getting in it, so it'll take you along. All right, we're on the other side of the wall. We got a little orange pump here for my line set, so we're gonna undo this, pull the whole head. Our Ronnie boy's got the new coil. We got that bad boy down. So now we just gotta tear it all apart. So you gotta do it. Alright, so we got all this out. I undid the motor harness plug so we can get to all of this. Now we're unscrew the coil and it should pop out. If not, blame this guy. So we got her out. So you will have a couple of screws to take out, and then your screws for this side. We gotta clean out this pan and we'll get it all back together. So he's feeding her up. Let's get up there and help my boy up. Let me get my flashlight. Oh, you're through, you're through. Trying to get my feet on this ladder, man. Everything's so slippery. You in? Yeah. Okay, he's in the place. So that's good. All right. So we'll hook up the flares. I gotta get some nylon and we'll be good to go. All right, YouTube. So this is that little orange pump. And you can see the freaking oil. Ron's upstairs. He's wiring it in. So how we do it, the red and the black, that's gonna get our 240, 220, 240, whatever. Then our S terminal, let's say it's the white wire. We'll wire tie that, wire nut it to the gray, and then we take the purple and go right to the terminal. So if this don't work, it breaks the communication. That's how we do it. But you can see the oil's staying in this thing. You know? So it screws it up and it won't let it pump. This is a new pump. It's probably 6 months old. I swear, I don't know if you guys heard that reverse valve just now on one of the condensers here. Let's see, we got it in a vacuum. I think we're shutting down on a fluke. One of the units is shutting down. Freaking trying to pull a vacuum and the damn batteries die. Testo, I go through more batteries with Testo than I do with field piece. Alright guys, let's keep it moving. Alright, I'm gonna sit you here. We're going to test the pump. And the pump be pumping. I couldn't hear it from over there. It's nice and quiet. See your vent tube bubbly. put a lot of water. Let's see. It's coming down. I couldn't even hear this pump run. You know?
So maybe those are the way to go over the orange.
Well, I got this. I got it sitting on top of a isolation pad.
Yeah, the red ones are loud.
Yeah. And that's, you know. All right, guys. See,
That's it.
we see how it works. All right, YouTube. So that's all the video that I was getting. We're all done. I just figured we'd take you along for the ride. Had my man Ron with me. So hopefully you like that. Hit that like button, people. See ya.